Okay, so today I am making poha. Okay, as you can see, this is the poha I have taken here. Okay, now I have already done some preparations here. Like for example, I have already soaked this in a little bit of water, so it has become soft now. Okay, you might be able to see clearly now. Okay, so this has become a little soft now. I have already added droplets of water in it, not too much water, a little bit to make it soft. Okay, then I already cut some vegetables as well. These are tomatoes and these are green chilies I have added here. Okay, so this is what I have. Now there are other things I have as well, such as lemon. Okay, these are lemons. I can add it in it. Okay, and I have this namkeen as well, which I will add later on to make it more better. I think lemon is the best thing to either make a bhel puri or uh, when making poha. Okay, so that is here, and this this is the poha I am using. You might see inverted, you might see mirrored image, but it is poha. Okay, and this poha has its own masala. This is the masala. Let me show you the packet. Let me show you the full packet. Okay, this is the masala they have given. Okay, so that is what I will use as well. Okay, and I have done the preparations here, initial preparations. Okay, so now let's start making this poha. Okay, so I am going to use this induction here. Okay, it has a lot of dust. Let me clean it. Okay, and I am using this pan here. This pan works with induction. Okay, so this is where I will make the poha. Okay, in this one. Okay, and I am going to use the masala powder as well according to my own taste. I am not making a lot of poha because whenever you make something in large quantity, whenever I make something in large quantity, I always end up getting bad results. This one still have half of the masala remaining, so I think that should be more than enough for this much amount of poha. Okay, so let's try to make it. I do have this one as well. See, this is the refined I have available. Okay, this is the refined I am going to use here. Okay, so let's use this and let's fry our vegetables here. We will add this as well. Okay, and later on we will use namkeen. Okay, so I should connect it. Okay, light is coming. Okay, let me connect it with induction. And I need to see which one I need to use here. I think I should use the same one. It shows the temperature. Okay, and I think the temperature on which I make the yes, I think this should be better for this one. The around 100-degree temperature should be enough. Okay, the one on which we boil the milk, so the same one I will use here. Okay, first of all let me add a little bit of, I should follow proper instructions as well. Okay, heat 3 tablespoons in a padai or pan में कढ़ाई, add table waste for your taste. Now add poha masala. Okay, inside the pack, mix it well with wet poha for 5 minutes. Serve hot. Okay, so first of all a little bit of refined I am adding, not a lot, just a little bit to fry vegetables. Okay, less is always more, we know that less is always more. That is what I can do. Okay, now I should on this one and I should select milk. And I am going to add all the vegetables here. Okay. If it gets too hot, you can just put it up if it gets too hot. Initially it will burn, then it will calm down. Okay, now I think I should add the poha now. The poha is now changing its color a little by little. You need to stir it well depending on the temperature depending on the temperature you are using. Okay. And it is already taking yellow color, so it looks good now. Okay, I think this looks good now, so now I can stop this one. Okay, and you can see of course in black and white you won't be able to see the color, but it is already yellow in color. It is yellow. Okay, so it has properly turned into yellow here. My green chilies are there, tomatoes are here. Now depending on the taste, we can decide other things here, that we want to add more masala or not, or more this lemon or not. Okay, but I think this looks good for me. Okay, so first of all I am going to take a quick taste here with the spoon. It is already very good. Yes, it is good. Yes. So what I can do here, if you need, then you can add some lemon in it. Now it was saying that if you are adding masala you don't need to add lemon, but I want it extra, so I am going to add. I am adding a small lemon, okay, not a large lemon, but I think this is a good idea. Okay, let's add it. make sure you are not adding seeds in your poha, and make sure to stir it well after adding. Okay, let me taste it one more time. Now the lemon is good as well. Yes. Now we can add our final finishing product, which will make it even more good. You can add literally anything. I am adding namkeen. You can literally add anything. I have this kurkure here. So if I want, I can add kurkure as well. But I want to add something, keep something for next time, because see, I am still having a lot of poha, so I will definitely make it later on. It comes out pretty good, but you can literally add anything, any kind of things you like, khatta meetha namkeen or kurkure chips. Chips you can add anything and it will look very good here. Now I always like namkeen, Navratna namkeen especially, so I will add it in my this one here. Now I will only add half. I want to save some for the next time. I think I can still add more. Okay, so I added half and I am keeping the remaining half. Okay, yes. So I am keeping remaining half, which I will make later on. Okay, now I think I should mix it again well one more time. My induction is still on because it is the instruction to keep the induction on for at least a little bit. See, fan is still moving. I don't know if you can hear the sound of fan, but the fan is still going on because it takes time to get cooled down. Okay, but that is what. See, now the fan is off, so now I can close this one. Otherwise, it gets very heated. It can get damaged. Okay, I still have a lot of this masala here. I think this is a very good masala for making poha. Okay, so I will use it later on. But see, this is the final product look like even after adding namkeen. I don't know if you can see the color texture here. Okay, I might add in my post I might add one colorful photo of this poha. So that is what I will do, so that you can see it there. But yes, that is there. This is how I made the poha today. Okay, and let me taste it one more time. Yes, it is good. It is good. So yes, that is one more day in my life, trying something new here, making poha today. Thank you for watching.